Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another new video, another new recipe. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make fried liver. Yummy, yummy, yummy. But first, let us prepare lunch for the boys. We're going to make fries and come with me. In a few, we're going to be preparing the liver. So, yep, come with me. So guys, we are now making the recipe, the liver recipe. We've already made lunch. We first soak our liver in milk, and after we have soaked it, what we do guys, we let it sit for 30 minutes and we are gonna discard the milk and then now prepare the liver. The reason for using the milk is to make our liver rid of the bloody taste and also to make it soft. So guys, the other thing that you do with your liver, I forgot to film, is to make sure that you remove the outer membrane of the liver. And now, after the 30 minutes are over, we have already poured our milk and put our liver in a separate bowl and right into frying our liver. We put oil in a pan and saute our onions and then put in our liver as I am doing, guys. And we let it fry without putting all the other ingredients. We let it fry together with a little salt. And for browning purposes, liver cooks really fast, guys. So, and it's already been softened by the milk. So we let it cook, fry it without adding any water for about 3 to 5 minutes, guys. Put in our salt and just let it cook and brown. You're going to see me letting it brown. It's gonna give it a nice taste. It's soft, guys. Remember, it's gonna be very soft. Anybody who doesn't like liver, if you try this recipe of first soaking it in milk, you're gonna love your liver. So after you have done that, guys, you are going to come in with the other ingredients. You see, guys, I have to wait it for it to brown. Yeah, so that is one secret that most people do not know. You just go in and cook your liver, and then at the end of the day, it doesn't taste as you had anticipated. See, guys, now our liver after 5 minutes is all browned. You can see how it's beginning to kind of stick to the pan. It's all browned on all sides. And now we are gonna come in with our other ingredients, guys. Remember, I like using my dania stalks at the beginning of the cooking, and I told you guys that the dania stalks, when you use them, they have a lot of flavor, and when you put them at this point, they usually give your food a nice flavor. I'm going to come in next with my grated onions. I told you grated onions always cook really fast. So after I have done that, by the way, you guys, this liver recipe, after you've already soaked it, it takes less than 10 minutes to cook and be on your plate for you to enjoy. We are cooking in our tomatoes, and then I did not have garlic and ginger, guys, in the house this day, but remember, ginger and garlic always gives your food a very nice, earthy, natural taste. So you can add them if you want. Whichever spices you want to use, you can add them. I'm going to let that cook for a while, and then I'm gonna come back with my spices. So guys, after I have let it cook, now I'm coming in with my spices. I have added just a bit of water so that it doesn't get burnt, guys, but I want it dry fried for eating my ugali. So I'm putting in my mixed spices, and then I'm gonna come in with my cumin. Remember, use spices to your liking. You don't have to be restricted by the spices that I use, guys. Your taste buds are gonna dictate what spices you use, guys. So this is gonna be ready in just a few seconds, guys. I'm just waiting to garnish it. It's already, look at how nice and brown it is, because, and now we garnish it, guys, and it is ready for being plated and eaten. This is gonna go down in a very short period. Like, it's not even gonna take a lot of time on that. Guys are just gonna scramble for it, and it's so sweet, guys. Try this recipe. Try soaking your liver in milk, and you will not regret it, guys. Tell me how it goes. Look at how nice and browned and just yummy that looks, with ugali and some greens on the side. And see you in the next one.